Latausha Nedd.
Good morning.
Ma'am, today you've been charged with the state offenses of terroristic threats and acts, criminal solicitation, battery, and cruelty to children. On the count of terroristic threats and acts, it is alleged that on or about the 20th day of September 2015, at 7124 South Lake Parkway, apartment H4, it is alleged that you threatened to commit crimes of violence against police officers. Police received information about videos posted by you that were posted on the internet, in which called for terroristic acts against police officers in a Take a Cop's Gun Day movement. You exhorted people to arm up and gun up and start killing these crackers. You also advised people to take over a police station, and you also threatened to kill someone who called into your podcast. You are also charged with the state offense of criminal solicitation in the fact that it is alleged that on or about the 20th day of September 2015 at 7124 South Lake Parkway, apartment H4 in Morrow, Clayton County, Georgia, that you, with the intent that others engage in felonies, solicit, request, or cause them to engage in such conduct. That you advise others to take the guns of police officers on the internet postings, and you call for terroristic acts against police officers in a Take a Cop's Gun Day movement. You also exhorted people to arm up and gun up and start killing these crackers, and also to take over a police station, and threatened to kill someone also who called into your podcast. Ms. Nedd is also alleged that you are charged with the state offense of battery in that on or about the 20th day of September 2015 at 7124 South Lake Parkway, apartment H4 in the city of Morrow, Clayton County, Georgia, that you intentionally and without authority made physical contact of an unwanted nature to the victim, a 14-year-old, which caused her to have visible injuries. That you did hit her multiple times with a belt and computer cord with your hands and fists, causing her to have bruising and swelling to her lower back, buttocks, and upper legs. It is also alleged, ma'am, that you are also charged with the state offense of cruelty to children in that on or about the 20th day of September 2015 at 7124 South Lake Parkway, apartment H4, and this is in the city of Morrow, Clayton County, that you intentionally and without authority made physical contact of an unwanted nature to a 14-year-old victim, which caused her to have visible injuries. That she was struck multiple times with a belt and computer cord, and she was also struck with your hands and fists, causing her to have bruising and swelling to her lower back, buttocks, and upper leg. This act caused her to have excessive mental and physical pain. Mrs. Nedd, these are the charges that you are charged with today. Do you understand?
All I can say is yes or no, correct?
Right.
I understand, but I don't.
Well, today, you're not here to plead or anything. I'm just here to inform you what your charges are today.
I understand the two charges that you first said, but the next charges of battery and child cruelty, I don't even have a child. I don't know I have no idea what you're talking about. Are you sure that that's for me? Because I have no idea what that is.
Well, Ms. Nedd, that's why I'm informing you of what your charges are, so that on this day, you are aware of what the state is alleging against you, okay? On the charge of terroristic threats and acts, no bond is being set for you on that charge today. On the charge of criminal solicitation, no bond. I'm not setting a bond on that charge today as well. On the charge of battery, you have a $3,000 bond. On the charge of cruelty to children, no bond is being set for you today on that as well. Are you currently working anywhere?
No.
After reviewing your application for court-appointed counsel, I am going to appoint you a court-appointed lawyer at this time, as you do qualify. Also, it is the further order of this court that you shall stay away absolutely, directly, or indirectly by mail, email, pager, telephone, or third person from the person, home, workplace, and immediate family members of the victim. And you'll get that information as well. Do you understand?
Who's the victim?
It'll be stated once you're able to sign it, okay? Your next court date, Ms. Nedd, is going to be October the 15th, 2015. It's going to be at 8 a.m. and it's going to be in courtroom 202 Magistrate Court. Do you have that information?
Is that in person?
Yes.
I believe she said she has it for me.
Ms. Nedd, stand right in front of this table here. Face the judge. Since you approve of signing special permissions. Stand.
Ms. Nedd, do you have any further questions?
I don't understand how a YouTube video is considered terroristic threats when I threaten no one.
Well, ma'am, at this time, you do have you will have a court-appointed lawyer, and you hopefully will get a chance to speak with them, and they'll be able to advise you further on your legal rights and abilities in this court.
Today,
I'm not saying today, but they will be in touch with you, I believe, within 48 or 72 hours. Okay. Good luck to you, Ms. Nedd.
you too.